Hello students, welcome to my channel. My channel name is Chemistry Master Class. आज आपण पाहणार आहोत अपर प्रायमरी टीचर इलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट केमिस्ट्रीचे काही क्वेश्चन्स. चला तर मग क्वेश्चन्स पाहूया. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, द फॉलोइंग ॲटॉमिक डायग्रॅम रिप्रेझेंट्स नायट्रोजन ॲटम, हेलियम ॲटम, हायड्रोजन ॲटम, सोडियम ॲटम. दिलेली डायग्रॅम ही कोणत्या ॲटॉमिक डायग्रॅमचं रिप्रेझेंटेशन आहे, कोणत्या एलिमेंटचं रिप्रेझेंटेशन आहे. This is atomic diagram of hydrogen atom. Only one electron present in outermost shell. We know that atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So its electronic configuration is 1s1 and only one electron is present in its outermost shell. So ही डायग्राम जी हायड्रोजन ॲटमची आहे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पाहूयात. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अन आयनिक कंपाऊंड? H2O, अमोनिया, CO2, NaCl. NaCl हा जो आहे तो आयोनिक कंपाऊंड आहे. आपल्याला माहिती आहे NaCl इज आयोनिक कंपाऊंड. इट डिसोसिएटेड into its ions in the aqueous solution. H2O is a polar covalent molecule. Ammonia is a covalent compound. CO2 is a covalent compound. Carbon dioxide is made up of one carbon and two oxygen atoms. There are four covalent bonds in one molecule of carbon dioxide. C and O are non-metals. Thus, we know that carbon dioxide is a covalent compound. आणि आपल्या क्वेश्चनचा आन्सर आहे, which one of the following is an ionic compound? NaCl is an ionic compound. NaCl contains Na plus and Cl minus ions. So it is ionic compound. Next question पाहूयात. The relative atomic masses of many elements are not whole number because elements are mixture of isotopes. Elements are mixture of isobars. Elements have fractional absolute masses. All elements are not in a gaseous state. ह्याचा आन्सर आहे elements are mixture of isotopes. Next question is, a solution X reacts with crushed eggshells to give a gas that turns lime water milky. The solution X contains HCl. Let's discuss the question step by step to find out our answer. Crushed eggshells contains calcium carbonate CaCO3. Crushed eggshells contains CaCO3. On the reaction with HCl, liberate CO2 gas. CaCO3 plus 2HCl, it gives CaCl2 plus H2O and liberate CO2 gas. So CO2 gas turns lime water. CO2 gas turns lime water to milky because it will form the calcium carbonate again. It forms calcium carbonate again, which is white precipitate. So next reaction is CaCO3 plus twice HCl. It gives CaCl2 plus H2O plus CO2. So, and this reaction is when CO2 react with lime water. Therefore, we can calculate that the correct answer to this question is HCl. Next question is, in which of the following cases you expect can a displacement reaction be expected? Options are zinc sulfate solution plus copper turnings. Next option is copper sulfate solution plus granulated zinc, zinc sulfate solution plus iron fillings. Fourth option is ferrous sulfate solution plus copper turnings. Answer is copper sulfate solution plus granulated zinc. When zinc is added to copper sulfate solution, due to more reactivity of zinc, copper is replaced by the zinc and forms zinc sulfate. So displacement reaction be expected is copper sulfate solution plus granulated zinc. Next question is, a magnesium ribbon was burnt in air. Its ash was dissolved in water. The resulting solution was tested with blue litmus paper, red litmus paper and phenolphthalein solution. Which of the following would be expected outcome? Options are blue litmus changes to red litmus remains unchanged, phenolphthalein solution remains colorless, color of phenolphthalein solution changes to pink. the burning magnesium turns into magnesium oxide, MgO. A magnesium ribbon was burned in air. Its ash was dissolved in water. The resulting solution म्हणजे जेव्हा the burning magnesium turns it into magnesium oxide in water produces magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide is basic in nature, that is it is a base. This is magnesium hydroxide is a basic in nature, that is it is base which turns red litmus blue and blue phenolphthalein solution changes to pink. So our answer is color of phenolphthalein solution changes to pink. Next question is some of observation are given below. Copper sulfate solution gets decolorized by zinc metal. Copper sulfate solution gets decolorized by iron metal. Iron does not affect zinc sulfate solution. In the context of the above statement, which one of the following is correct ascending increasing order of reactivity? Our answer is zinc is greater than Fe, Fe is greater than copper. This is order of reactivity. Next question is, which of the following is a neutralization reaction? 2 copper plus H2O plus CO2 plus O2, it gives COOH2, CO3. SO2 plus H2O, H2SO4, it gives H2SO4. HCl plus NaOH, it gives NaCl plus H2O. Zinc plus H2SO4, it gives ZnSO4 plus H2. We know that in chemistry, neutralization is a chemical reaction in which acid react with base to form salt and water. HCl plus NaOH, HCl is acid, NaOH is a base, it gives salt and water. So this is neutralization reaction. Acid react with base to form salt and water. HCl is acid, NaOH is a base, it forms salt of NaCl and water. Next question is, which acid is secreted by the stomach wall to active digestive enzymes? Lactic acid, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, tartaric acid. We know that HCl, hydrochloric acid, is secreted by the stomach wall to active digestive enzymes. Next question is, an inorganic compound acts on strongly heating give oxygen and oxide of nitrogen and a residue. Compound X does not dissolve in nitric acid but dissolve in ammonium hydroxide solution. On being treated with tap water, it gave a white turbidity. The compound is AgNO3. AgNO3 inorganic compound on strongly heating gave oxygen and oxide of nitrogen and a residue. Compound AgNO3 does not dissolve in nitric acid but dissolved in ammonium hydroxide solution. On being treated with tap water, it gave a white turbidity of a compound. So answer is AgNO3.